Hello everyone, welcome to another problem solving video. Today we're going to solve a tuple problem, and we have been told that we're going to take input from the user and then replace the middle element of each of the inner list. We can see here a tuple. It has some inner list as its value. We're going to take an input and then we're going to replace the middle element of each of the inner list. Now the question can vary from it can say to replace the first element or the last element, but the answer is the same for all the questions. So let me just write the code and then I will explain. Okay, so you can see the code is complete and it's running properly. Now let me just explain what happened here. First of all, we used tuple unpacking. That is, here ABC is representing 1 2 3, BBF is representing 4 5 6, GBI representing 7 8 9, and the rest of letters representing the list of the elements. Now here we can see that B is common in everywhere because we are going to replace the middle element, and that's why we're taking B as common, that is the middle term common in everywhere. Now we are going to take B as input, that is whatever we're going to take input, let's say number or anything, that is going to be stored in B variable, and then we're going to take a new tuple and then we're going to paste the same thing, this one in here in under list, and in everywhere the value we have taken that is stored in B will be placed in every list. So when we print it, let's say I'm giving 100, all the middle values that were already in the previous given list and the previous given tuple are changed, that is the middle term has been changed. If the question asks the first term or the last term, then we are going to change the first or the last term in everywhere. Let's say for the first, A will be same in everywhere, or for the last, C will be same in everywhere. Then we are going to take input and store that value in that position, or so in that variable, and then we are going to print the new tuple, and thus we can replace any position of element in the list. Hopefully you guys understand it. Thank you for watching and subscribe.